Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Neo Qi3 Pro Max. If you want to reset, then you will need to follow some steps. You have three options for that. In the first option, turn off the scooter. Press and hold the power button until the scooter turn off completely. Ensure the scooter is not charging during the reset process. The second option you can try is to disconnect the battery. If possible, disconnect the battery by removing the connection cable. This step is optional and apply only if the battery is easily accessible and user serviceable. The third option you can try is to perform a factory reset via the app. The new KQi3 Pro Max pair with the new app, allowing the reset and troubleshooting. For that, open the new app on your smartphone and navigate to the settings menu. Then look for an option like factory reset or reset scooter. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. So these are the options you can try. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.